Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Propel Guru. We are back with another tutorial video. This video will exhibit how to write a perfect press release. So without taking much time, let's get this started. What is a press release? A press release is a short compelling news story written to pass information about an upcoming or recently released product or services of an organization. Press release in the digital world is more interactive as it incorporates images, videos, podcasts, and other links to resources that adds value to the overall message delivered. Next is, why do you need a press release? First, it garners attention and awareness. A press release is known to grasp heavy attention and drive awareness of your product and services. Media outlets, press releases, distribution platform have huge networks, and posting your PR brings more reach and garners more attention. Second, it helps build relationships. Media houses and other releasing platforms need stories to publish, and you as an organization needs branding. It helps build relationships between your brand and credible distribution platforms. Consider it as a mutual beneficial exercise for both the parties. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization plays a crucial role in ranking, and if you stuff your keyword efficiently, your ranking for those keywords can shoot up and might take you up on the first SERPs, that is, the search engine result pages. Fourth, it manages your brand image. Press releases help you create a brand value, as you can easily recreate a positive brand image by shaping public perception through official statement along with positive facts. This way, you can also counter any negative publicity flowing in the industry. Next, we have elements of a press release. First, letterhead or logo. An organization must share the press release on the company's letterhead. The digital write-up must have the logo of the organization along with the backlinks of a website. Second, headline. It is used to grab the attention of users and briefly summarize the news. Third, subject. Also known as the subheadline, it describes the headline content in more detail. Fourth, dateline. It displays the release date and usually the originating city of the press release. Next is body. It includes further explanation, statistics, background, or other details relevant to the news. Next is boilerplate. It is a short about section providing independent background on the issuing company, organization, or a particular individual. The last is press contact. All the name and contact details of your media coordinator or communications executive comes here. Typically, anyone who the reporter can get in touch with to get more information. Next is important tips while writing a press release. First, start with 5 W's and 1 H. Like who did what, when and where it happened, what it was for, and how it happened. Keeping this form makes it easier to judge whether the material is newsworthy or not. Second, put yourself in their shoes. Always write your press release with your audience in mind. What do they want to know? If it's interesting, let's get this started. Third, simple, short and complete. Journalists are always busy. They want releases to be clear and straight to the point, without waffling over the topic. A well-finished article has a bigger chance of wide distribution. Fourth, be newsworthy. Your press release should have exclusive data and research should be thorough. Fifth, have a clear goal. When writing press releases, ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve out of this? It's important to identify this at the start because in order to reach each of these goals, you'll have to adopt different strategies. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to not miss any updates from us.